beautiful soul. My name's Veronica, and I am here today to share with you how to be present with you. I want to take you on a journey guided for you to get more comfortable and present in your self-awareness and self-acceptance through kindness, compassion, and just being. There's nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to do. Just sit, untwist anything and everything, and sit relaxed. I want you to take a deep breath in and out, understanding that the slower you breathe, the more your nervous system can relax. So breathe in and be conscious of how you're breathing. Free of force, just pure awareness. Close your eyes, relax your arms and your hands, and bring your attention to your chest as it goes up and down with every breath. You are where you are meant to be. You are all you are needing to be. It's time to go in and be comfortable within. So as you breathe, as your breath gets slower, allow it to pause or go deeper as you inhale and exhale. And sense the difference this makes. Bring yourself back to the breath, softening your face, your jaw, your neck. Allow the shoulders to relax deeper and deeper now. Become aware that noises will come and go, that thoughts will come, and just let them pass. Bring yourself back to breath. As each thought comes, allow it to go and breathe, putting no attention to anywhere but yourself. You are all you are needing to give attention to. You are all you are needing to give awareness to. Breathe and breathe. This is your life force. This is your life purpose, to breathe in awareness, in presence. Bring your attention to your eyes and begin to soften and relax your eyelids. Soften your cheek and your jaw and feel the mouth. Feel any sensations, any tension. Connect and sense. Just be present. If it's uncomfortable, bring compassion and kindness, but just be. No pushing away, harming any shift in energy. Just stay present with any form of sensation. Begin to embrace all the feelings and the form that your body is holding. Any tingles, any heat, any movement, just accept this is your body. And it's needing your attention to be still, to be free as itself, not holding, not tightening, but relaxing, relieving, freeing. Know you're safe to relax. Know you're safe to let go. Know you're safe to surrender all the tightness, all the grip and grit. There is nothing but this essence of being. Feel your breath, soften your neck. Feel your breath into your shoulders. Have an understanding of the wonder of your body and how it pulses and how it moves, its form. And the quieter you sit and the calmer you become and the slower your breath holds, everything begins to unwind, undo, and become settled, become peace, bring ease. You are safe to breathe slower. You are safe to be here now with yourself. You are safe to taste the essence of being present, the essence of you and all that you encompass. You are safe to release into the next breath. If you can hold after the next breath, feeling more stillness. And then just allow the breath to come in or out naturally. Feel your arms soften. Feel your chest open. Sense your heart. Sense the quietness it wants to embrace. Sense the peace you are worthy of. And understand the power of this peace, of this quiet, of this stillness. Trust that clarity unfolds, certainty builds, clever insight unfolds, inner conviction begins to hold, trust enfolds. You are all you need to be. Your breath, every flow of water and blood molecule just filling, flowing. You are all you need to be. You are the river of your essence. Come back. If a thought drifts through, allow it to drift on. Just sit. Just feel. Just sense. Scan your whole body so gently with kindness, compassion, and a humbled awareness. begin to understand that loving, accepting, embracing all of you is how you can be at peace, to just be. Breathing in, hold, breathing out, hold. Feeling, freeing, loosening. Breathe into your belly, feeling any tension soften. Open and let go of any tension in your hips. Feel the length of your legs and the expression that's vibrating in your feet. Bring yourself, bring awareness, bring to presence all of you. You are safe to feel your truth. It is safe to hold your truth. You are all you need to be. You are not what you do. You are not your thoughts. You are your breath. You are the sensations. And the softer you can allow them to show up, to flow, the lighter everything becomes. You are light. You are love. You are all you are meant to be. Feel into this. Be free with this. Hold your heart in true acceptance. Trust. That you are all you need to be. Trust that your body has such wisdom and such awareness. Choose quiet. Choose presence. To enfold and uphold all your essence and its truth. I want you to breathe into your heart. Breathe in some love and let it breathe through and around you. Come back to relaxing your face, easing your neck and shoulders again, becoming more and more present to what is now, to what is here, to who you are. Free of the doing, free of the identity, free of the roles, just life, breath, light, present. Be one with your embodiment right now. Feel the meditative place and state and space you're creating. Just pay attention to the now, allowing the thoughts to come and go. And if you have wandered off, come back to your breath. Come back to the whole essence of you. Every tingle, every vibration, every resonance. Breath, tingle, tremor, It is all who you are. Allow the stretch, the yawn, the breath. Just breathe and embrace your presence. Breathe and embrace your all. Breathe through the day with this awareness. Breathe through any unawareness, any happenings with a sense of presence. Create a pause to allow your nervous system to breathe and have a response that's aligned with you. Bring back all your attention to your whole body. This beautiful form that holds you every day. Bring appreciation. Bring gratefulness. Show it acceptance. What you bring to yourself strengthens. It is time to place a beautiful heart-filled intention to your day, to your time, to your life. Bring to heart and head a beautiful decision, and let this decision walk you through your time today. And then stretch this love and this awareness out into the world. Sense of peace, sense of gratitude, a sense of your truth. This is the beginning. This is the mark. This is the time to begin bringing presence in everything you do. Feeling, seeing, hearing, free of all meaning and interpretation, raising your perspective higher and brighter and wider. This is what you're creating. Feel into a sense of appreciation on a depth where your heart feels it, understands it, and can ripple it out. Draw to mind something that you value and appreciate that has brought you so much joy, and bring that into your day. Step into every experience from the essence of presence, love, appreciation, and a freeing acceptance. You are all you need to be. Breathe you today.